All right, here's a really nice consignment trailer we got the other day. Wanted to shoot a quick video. This trailer's super clean. This trailer really hasn't been anywhere. 2024 Logan Coach Limited, 14-foot living quarters, stock combo, mid-tack in this trailer. This trailer is on consignment, but it's super clean. Dual jacks on the front end. Of course, your 2 propane bottles, your double batteries. Big awning, 14-foot awning on this trailer. Tires virtually brand new, Hayrack on top. Of course, it is the stock combo. Double doors on the back end. They did add plexiglass in this trailer, but it's never even actually been put in the trailer. So there's the plexiglass. Polylast flooring, so that's that great draining floor. All the spray vortex that you've known to like in that Logan Coaches. Super nice trailer. Got a center gate in there. Walk around this side. This is your pie-shaped mid-tack, 4-stack swing-out saddle rack with your blanket bars. This does have a pass-through door into the bathroom area. Shelving up right there. Bridle hooks. Of course, we can add more bridle hooks here at the store if you'd like some more. Same Vortex spray liner. This is the very popular 14-foot package. Sleeps a lot of kids. You end up with the dinette and the sofa in the living quarters, as well as the bed up on the gooseneck area. We can walk in this living quarters quick here, and I jumped in this, and like this thing, I don't know that's been slept in, but there's the couch. Right there at the drop wall. Bed up in the gooseneck area. Of course, you got storage cabinets up there at the head of the bed. There's a place to charge phones. You can put a TV on that cabinet door right there. Storage above this couch at the foot of the bed. Dinette in the slide out. Of course, that makes into a bed. Good storage underneath that dinette. Shirt closet in the slide out as well. Little bit of storage above the dinette. TV's inset in the wall right there. Bathroom door 6.0 fridge on this wall. Here's all your cooking stuff. We did leave the living quarters door open so you can kind of see how that lays out. Now it closed. Microwave. Kind of see how all that lays out right there. Walk into the bed area, or excuse me, the bathroom area. Large cabinetry right next to your man door that walks between there and the mid-tack. Shower on this wall. Big, large shower. Toilet. Vanity. Sink. Back out of there, there's your fridge again. Super nice trailer. Of course, this one is on consignment. He didn't tell me how many miles, but from walking in this living quarters, I don't know that it's ever been slept in, so not very many. That's our 2024 Logan Coach Limited stock combo 14-foot living quarters. Thanks for looking.